In this video, we are going to see that if you want to configure a brand new Gmail account on Microsoft Outlook latest version in Microsoft Office, how we can easily do this. First of all, just open up the start menu and just right here, Outlook, click on open. And here we will just mention any profile name, whatever we like. I'll just mention my name. And here, let's say that I want to configure this Gmail account. I'm just taking an example. What I need to do before continuing or connecting, we will head over to that specific email account and then we will click on this little gear icon, or otherwise you can also click on this dotted icons and click on your account. That is more convenient. And first of all, it is a requirement by any third-party application that now you need to configure two-step verification before linking it to any third-party app. So what we need to do is just click on the security and sign in. And it says two-step verification. It is already on, but if you want to turn it on, just click on this particular option. You need to mention your password, and after that you can easily make the changes to it. But I'll just continue because I already have this on. And now I will head over to my Outlook. Just simply mention the email address, click on connect, and it goes into this sign in with Google screen. Click on next. We just have to mention the password. And once we have this mentioned, click on next. It will go to the two-step verification and you need to click on don't ask again on this device if you don't want to verify it again and again. So yes, it's me. I received this on my mobile and it says web page error. This web page contains error that might prevent from displaying or working correctly. I want to debug this, and now I have the main screen. It is allowing all the apps. So let's click on allow, and now it is successfully added. As you can see, click on done, and we are successfully on the main screen. It will take some time to pick up all the data and show all the messages here. As you can see, it keeps on displaying step by step. So we just have to wait until we receive all the data from this email and we have this filled inbox, and after that we will try sending an email and we will see if we receive it or not. Now you can see we have started receiving the messages from this email. If you feel that you haven't received all the messages, you can click on this top right option of send and receive all folders. And now I'm using some other email account to test this. Testing Outlook. And let's mention that in the description as well. Click on send, and we just want to see whether we receive this on our main email, which is configured on Outlook or not. So if we click on inbox, you can see that we have received this message, but this is from Outlook directly. No, this is not the one that we sent. We have to wait, or otherwise click on send receive folders. Still haven't received that. It's still processing in the background. And now you can see that we have received this email, testing Outlook, which is sent from my other email account. So this means it is perfectly working and properly configured in Microsoft Outlook. So this is how you can configure the Gmail account on Outlook. And basically you can click on this option, or you can click on this quick access bar as well. Whenever you feel that you haven't received the message, you can just click on send and receive all folders and it will update and reprocess it for you. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.